We love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident that you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We are only one call away from serving you.